Welcome back to Autowondr. The Dodge Hornet charges into 2026 with bold ambition and a refreshed presence. As the compact performance SUV segment heats up, Dodge seems poised to sharpen its sting, potentially delivering a more dynamic, tech-loaded, and electrified package that blends muscle car attitude with urban practicality. Design revisions are expected to lean heavily into the brand's aggressive DNA. Rumors suggest a sleeker profile with sharper lines, a lowered stance, and a more sculpted hood. Up front, a revamped grille could adopt a black mesh pattern flanked by slimmer LED headlights, echoing the styling cues of the Charger Daytona EV. Around back, a full-width LED light bar and dual exhaust outlets may complete a more assertive, race-inspired aesthetic. Inside, the cabin is anticipated to receive upgraded tech and finishes. A 12.3-inch digital cluster and a reimagined Uconnect touchscreen, possibly expanded to 12.5 inches, could dominate the dashboard. Higher trims may feature Alcantara inserts, red stitching, and carbon look trim, while paddle shifters and drive mode selectors underscore the Hornet's performance intent. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay will likely return, alongside an optional premium Harman Kardon sound system. Performance options could remain diverse. The base turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 may receive tuning enhancements to maintain its 268 horsepower while improving efficiency. More importantly, the plug-in hybrid RT model is expected to receive updates, possibly boosting output to nearly 300 horsepower, with improved EV range approaching 35 miles. Revised powertrain software may yield smoother transitions between electric and gas power, offering a more refined, responsive ride. Speculation surrounds a potential Hornet SRT trim. If it materializes, it could feature sport-tuned suspension, Brembo brakes, and exclusive badging, a true track-focused variant. Standard driver assist features will likely grow, with adaptive cruise, lane centering, and traffic jam assist becoming more accessible. Pricing is expected to begin around $32,995 for base models, with plug-in variants reaching the $42,000 mark. The 2026 Hornet aims to deliver excitement in every drive, compact in size, massive in attitude.